What's up? It's Victor Pham, your Cincinnati realtor. I'm out here at the Reserve at Deer Run, checking out this custom new build by Fischer Homes. This one is located just around the Addyston neighborhood, a little bit outside of Oak Hills High School, in between Mac and Addison. So if you go on the west side, it's a little bit further out on the outskirts of the west side of Cincinnati. This is the base model. It starts in the mid 500s. They can go up much higher if you add on more features. They can get into the 600s, but the base model starts in the mid 500s at about 3,000 square feet. I think this one is 3,200 square feet. Features 4 beds, 4 baths, and 3 levels. Let's go on in and check this out. So when you enter the home on the left side here, you have a really spacious office, some really tall windows, lets in a lot of natural light for you to do all the studying you need in here. Then you got a den space, which leads into a more formal dining room area. You can get creative here. You can use this as a den space or an additional living room, but it is always nice to have a formal dining room that's separate from the kitchen area. And in that main living room, you also have these huge windows with a really stunning view of the pond and the rest of the suburb. So a lot of windows, tons of light being let in. That's a big selling point, being able to have all that natural light come in. Got that eat-in dining room right here in the kitchen. They did a really outstanding job on the sleek look of this kitchen as well, with the granite countertops and all these stainless steel appliances included. As we make our way into this gorgeous basement here, you can see you have multiple spaces to do whatever it is you might want to do, whether it's a bar, you want to do a game room, you could transform this into a gym area. A lot of options in this floor plan. There's also one of the full bathrooms down here, so it's really like an apartment down here, honestly. Someone could live down there. As we get up here to the second floor and check out the master bedroom, you can see very open like the rest of the house, lots of windows everywhere. This is a very spacious bathroom, and one of the things that makes this a true luxury home in my opinion is the fact that it does have a bathtub as well as a shower in the master. You can find a lot of newer houses and sometimes even new builds going for $400,000, $500,000, and they'll only have just a shower in it. And I get a lot of complaints from clients about that. Rightly so. I guess if you're spending $500,000, $600,000, $700,000 on a luxury build, it should have the option to have that bathtub in there as well as the shower. But this one does have both, which is an amazing feature. And the master closet in this model is built very conveniently, separating the two sides so you can have a his and hers, or however you want to divide it up if you have partners sharing the master bedroom. And another premier feature that you'll see in a lot of these Fischer homes is a very convenient main living space laundry room, which is usually closest to the bedrooms. It's a very convenient thing to have. They even built in a little bit of shelving up here for your storage and whatever you need for your laundries. On the primary bathroom here, they have the bath and toilet area separated from the sink area, which I think really comes in handy if you have people sharing this bathroom. Somebody might be wanting to brush their teeth while somebody else is using the bathroom or showering. So you have those two doors separating those areas, which is really cool. So in my opinion, Fischer Homes is one of the premier and top builders in the Cincinnati, Ohio area. Feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to get you a tour, get you into one of this model or any others that Fischer Homes may have, or any other homes in the Cincinnati area for that matter. If you want to watch some more tours of some great homes in Cincinnati, Ohio, check out this playlist that should be popping up on your screen right about now. I will talk to you in the next video, and remember, when it comes to houses in Cincinnati, you can always call Vic.